been a couple of days since I made the Dual Lye shave soap. I wanted to give you a lather test because I love the lather on these so much. I got 10 5-ounce cups full of the shave soap and 5 3.5-ounce shaving pucks with this recipe. That's how much I got. So this is my husband's brush and cup. This is an Old Spice cup I got on eBay years ago, vintage Old Spice. I love it. Any cup will do for the pucks. If you have one of these, you don't need a cup. I have some with handles and a couple without handles. So anyway, let's grab one of these pucks. They smell so good. And of course, because this was a hot process, it's already saponified. I will let these cure for several weeks, 4 weeks probably, a regular cure time just to get harder so they're longer lasting. But they're already fully saponified. So let's give it a lather test. So you just wet the brush. I actually like to wet the top of the soap, let it sit for a minute, and then drain off the excess water. And you just circle, circle, and immediately the lather starts to build. It is so thick and creamy. Look at that. It's just dense, foamy, it's smooth. That soothing sandalwood fragrance smells amazing, and you can just keep building it as much lather as you need or want. It's like a shaving. It's so thick and dense. It's like what comes out of a spray can. It's really wonderful. So there it is. Hope you give the recipe a try. I am just amazed with this hot process Dual Lye. It's a very easy process. I was ready for something really challenging, and it's really fun and quick. And so there it is. Have a great day. Have a good shave. Thanks for watching.